Good morning, my friends. I am going to miss seeing you today. This is going to be a little different. You are going to work on all of your activities while I am getting some stuff ready for our fun learning this next quarter, okay? So the very first thing you're going to do is your morning bin. So for our morning bin today, I have some Q-tips and I have some bottle glue and a black sheet of paper. You can use any piece of paper you want. And we are going to put our Q-tips down to make it look like a web. So I'm opening my glue bottle. I'm shaking my glue down, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue, and I'm going to stick down a Q-tip. Oh, I didn't do a long enough line of glue, so I'm going to put a little longer line of glue. I'm going to try again. There we go. Now I got it. Okay. And then I think I'm going to put another line going this way. And now the cool thing about this, friends, is you don't have to make it look just like mine. Remember, spiders make all different webs. So you make it look however you think your web should look. I think I'm going to do another Q-tip going this way. And I'm going to stick it down. Then I come out this way and do another one. Okay. And then I think I'll do a line of glue this way. I'm actually going to do 2 lines of glue at the same time and a line of glue going this way. Okay. I can look, and if I want to add more, I can. So maybe I think, oh, this looks like an open space. So I'm going to put a little more glue here, going this way. It looks like I could use another Q-tip here, and maybe here. Okay, so I'm going to put down my Q-tips. All right, now remember, you can make a web like this. I did a different example of a web on the picture, so you can look at that web and make it look just like that web. You do it however you would like for your spider web to look. Friends, you can even get creative and you can lay them on top too. Okay, so if you wanted to do it like that, see how I laid it on top? You could put a little glue on this part of the Q-tip. Okay, and you on top. Now, I will say the thing about this is you're going to have to give it some time to dry. All right, my friends, I will miss you today, but I will see you all tomorrow morning. Have fun completing your activities. And again, I will see you all tomorrow morning.